Welcome back, Year 10. This is the first sort of recap of things that you should already know about Module B2 for AQA. We are starting halfway through the module. This is the stuff that you covered in Year 9. Multicellular organisms like humans can have trillions of cells. To keep the organism going, those cells have to work together, which needs some organization. Cells are the basic building blocks that make up all living organisms. As you know, specialized cells carry out particular functions. The process by which cells become specialized for a particular job is called cell differentiation. Differentiation occurs during the development of a multicellular organism. Specialized cells are organized to form tissues, which form organs, which form organ systems. There's more about each of these over the next few slides. Large, multicellular organisms have different systems inside them for exchanging and transporting materials. A tissue is a group of similar cells that work together to carry out a particular function. A tissue can include more than one type of cell. Mammals, like humans, have several different tissue types. Muscular tissue, which contracts, shortens to move whatever it's attached to. Glandular tissue, which makes and secretes substances like enzymes, proteins that control chemical reactions, and hormones, which are chemical messengers. Epithelial tissue covers some parts of the body, for example, inside the gut. Organs are a group of different tissues that work together to perform a certain function. Tissues are organized into organs. Mammals have many different organs, which are made up of different tissues. This picture here is an example of the stomach. The stomach is an organ made of muscular tissue, which moves the stomach wall to churn up the food, glandular tissue, which makes digestive juices to digest food, and epithelial tissue, which covers the outside and inside of the stomach. This is a cross-section here, and at the top you can see there is glandular tissue, and at the bottom is muscular tissue here. Organ systems have organs that are organized into the organ system. So an organ system is a group of organs working together to perform a particular function. An example that you covered in Year 9 was the digestive system. This is the organ system that breaks down food in humans and other mammals. It is also an exchange system, which exchanges materials with the environment by taking in nutrients and releasing substances such as bile. The digestive system is made up of many organs. Glands, like the pancreas and the salivary glands, produce digestive juices. The stomach is where food is digested. The liver produces bile. The small intestines, where food is digested and soluble food molecules are absorbed. The large intestines, where water is absorbed from undigested food, leaving feces. This is the beginning of the module. You need to know how these cells are organized. You need to remember the organ that they go in: cells, tissues, organs, organ systems. Cells are very small. They're less than 0.1 millimeters big. Tissues are a bit bigger. Organs, on average, around about 10 centimeters. Organ systems like the digestive system have a total length much bigger. The digestive system is 9 meters long, which is 90 times longer than the stomach. You don't need to learn the lengths in the example, but they're just to give you an idea of the size. Cells are very small, then tissues are a bit bigger, organs are bigger, organ systems are even bigger. Please answer the question that has been attached to this video on Google Classroom, and I will talk to you again soon.